3 years ago, I purchased a 1947 Trumpy. Hi, I'm Jim Morris from Morris Marine. 3 years ago, I purchased a 1947 Trumpy. The boat had been living in Florida, the waters are warm here, and the interior down below was full of mildew. What I ended up doing was throwing all the mattresses away, spending about $1,000 cleaning the whole inside of the boat with bleach and other types of things to get all the mildew out. The next thing that I did was I put an Arid Bilge system on my boat. It was one of the best things that I did. That little bit of water that just keeps coming in, and then the air conditioning condensation. All of these things are very bad for a wooden boat. They instantly start to grow mildew, mold, and so on and so forth. By eliminating that, the boat actually dried out inside, has a nice scent. People have told me that my boat doesn't have that wooden boat smell, and I'm really happy I put the system in. By putting the Arid Bilge system in, it eliminates that little bit of water that just lingers in there, stops mildew, and the boat is healthier, and so am I. A few weeks ago, my system went down because we had electrical problems, and I came down onto the boat and I instantly smelled the issue that was starting to happen. The first thing I did was check my Arid Bilge system. I'm really glad to get my Arid Bilge back on board. It's been about 3 weeks. This is my boat, the Aurora II. Come on aboard. I'll show you how to break in too. This right here is the first stage of mildew. Right there, see? See the white stuff growing on there? Yeah, it's happened in 3 or 4 weeks. Because what happened was the bilge was completely closed up, so it becomes a terrarium. See, this is a new piece of wood here, but the older wood will start to deteriorate, and it's going to town. 3 years ago, we had a lot of problems with mildew. We had silk curtains, and they were just completely ruined from the mildew. And then the ceilings all through the inside of the boat, they were all mildewed. Now, we put the Arid Bilge system in, and then when we repainted the ceiling 3 years ago and killed the mildew and got the system in place, we haven't had a problem since. Recommended it to a lot of my clients and even my competition, and we're seeing them on more and more wooden boats. Every person that I've been involved with that has put it on their boat has thanked me for recommending it.